Yeah, the undercurrent, the spirit is there, but the interface is because the soul is interfacing with his body through these different levels, through these different agencies. One is the mind and intelligence, like that. But the energy. That's why I say consciousness is called the energy of the soul. Like it's not consciousness is not affected by the drug, but our awareness of that hand is affect. The point they're trying to make is that this body is unconscious. Like if the soul comes out of the body, you can poke it all you want, but soon when the soul's in the body, ow, you feel that sensation because consciousness is there, awareness, and you're responding to it. This is the idea. That's why he's saying that eternal conscious soul and temporary unconscious body. This is the definition that's given. This is what introspection is about, to see what is the situation. Am I this body? But because for so long we're just all we know is this body, and we don't think about these things. As the embodied spirit soul, or the spirit soul within this body, loses external consciousness when his senses are overcome by the illusion of dreaming, or the death-like state of deep sleep, so a person experiencing duality, material duality, must encounter illusion and death. Impelled by false ego, one dreams of the material world without God and makes plans to lord it over the world, to exploit her resources. So this is it's just a small entry. That it's like this. Our whole idea, as we say, our whole sense of reality is like a dream. It's just a dream. Prabhupada often uses this daydream and night dream concept. At night, we think that's really me, and we identify it. We even have physical experiences. So in the daytime, we identify this is me, and we have physical experiences. And some of those give us happiness, those physical experiences, and when we're awake, and some give us distress. But that's all happening to the body. And at night, we're dreaming, and there's a dream body. You know, our eyes are closed, our ears are closed, everything's closed. But in the dream body, you're acting, and then you're in that dream body, you're experiencing some happiness, sometimes fear, and and you wake up, and your mother says, "What's wrong? What's wrong?" "Oh, mommy, I saw the boogeyman," or whatever. I saw the boogeyman, or somebody came, somebody's there. Who's there? Nobody's there. But you're thinking it's very real, and you're really afraid, and your heart is palpitating, and you're perspiring. But is it real? No. Well, you say it's a dream. So is this tangible? That what we call this tangible? That dream is intangible, but it's real, and we have experience, happiness and distress. And this external reality, awake, so-called awake, is tangible, and we have experience and happiness and distress, and we call this real, not a dream. But it's also a dream, as far as the soul is concerned. The soul is a passive observer. The soul is a sakshi, or witness of it all.